Welcome to your News Ticker Central, your place for technology and gadget top lists, must-haves and reviews. Before we begin, please take a second to subscribe. Now that you have subscribed, let's begin.
AOC launches Agon AGK700 Backlit mechanical keyboard with Rotary encoder. AOC has announced the Aegon AGK700 keyboard, designed specifically for demanding users. It is equipped with Cherry MX mechanical switches with a declared life of 50 million actuations. The device supports the N-key rollover and 100% anti-ghosting function, which is responsible for the correct recognition of a large number of simultaneously pressed buttons. Implemented multicolor RGB lighting with a palette of 16.7 million shades and 11 modes of operation. Detachable magnetic leather wrist rest enhances comfort during hours of combat. A USB interface is used to connect to a computer. The length of the connecting cable is 1.8 meters. The polling frequency reaches 1000 Hz. The response time is 1 milliseconds. There is a USB 2.0 Type A pass-through port. The upper part of the novelty, there is a rather large rotary volume control and additional programmable buttons. On the left, there is a row of macro keys. The keyboard is available for about $180. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.